Welcome back, yard fanatics. Look, this is just going to be a real quick video. It's a follow-up video. Had a few guys asking me about the Easy Seed by Scott's patch and repair fix. Let me just give you brief information. This is for Bermuda, and they also make it for fescue. And both of the instructions are basically the same. You find a bare spot like that, put the patch master in there, the patch fix, and water it and watch it grow. The reason I'm coming back with this video, a couple of guys are asking me a few questions about it. And yeah, this is pretty much the easiest way to fix bare spots. Now, that question was asked. Well, all you gotta do is get some sod and fix it, and that is absolutely correct. But here's the thing with sod. With sod, you're gonna have to cut the pattern. You're gonna have to dig up a little dirt to get it leveled. You're gonna have to water it just like you're gonna, not so much have to do this, but you're still gonna have to water it. And generally it takes a year for Bermuda sod to take full root. It'll root within 2 to 3 months, but you need a complete year cycle for it to actually take full root and become a part of the ecosystem. Now, having said that, the name of this product is called Easy Seed. And listen, I'm just gonna be real with you. It's real easy. Now, the directions basically say the two items you're gonna need is this, and you need a hand tiller or something that's gonna get that soil to break up. But having said that, I added the lawn soil for a couple of reasons, because it's gonna make the soil just a little bit better. And I got a whole bag of this stuff. I gotta get rid of it. I'm not gonna throw it away. But even with this, I paid $14 for this. Got at Walmart. And actually, if I find some more bare spots in my lawn, I may actually put some of this down in there. But I'm pretty much that kind of guy. I like to see it spread. But this area right here is real bad. It's been hard for a couple of years. If you've been following me, I actually cut that tree, sorry for the sun, cut that tree limb off. It was real big. Trying to let some sunlight get into this area, y'all, so I'm having a hard time doing that. But since it's summertime, we're gonna get a little bit more sun than normal. And basic installation of this product is real easy, guys. Just till up the soil. All right, that's the preparation. You don't need the lawn soil, but if you got it, that's a bonus. Sprinkle it down. Here's your Easy Seed, and you basically just look. It's that simple. Now, they don't want you to cover it where the ground is completely saturated with it. You gotta leave space for the mulch that's built in with this stuff to absorb the water, and for the seeds to have room to expand. But it's that easy, y'all. Just sprinkle it. Sprinkle it down. This is not rocket science. Just sprinkle it down. You don't have to work it in after you sprinkle it down. And this is why they call it Easy Seed. There's really not a lot of work that goes into putting this product down, guys. Might be the shortest video BYD made this season. I know you guys used to those 20-minute videos. And I got a few spots that I just worked the soil up. I'm not even gonna put any dirt. And that's pretty much it. Next step, close that up. Get your water hose and just, guys, wet it down. Wet it down. Now I got this on shower, so I'm kind of shaking it back and forth to get it wet. Now, it's supposed to absorb 4 to 6 times this water, the mulch that's built in with it. And actually, I'm gonna stop it so you can see it. Let me zoom in. See it, guys? Sorry about that. See it? see how big it got all of a sudden. Guys, just watering in. If you got a small area, I would probably put it on mist. And they say the first watering, this is really gonna jumpstart it. You don't water until it starts to puddle. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can get an update on this. I'll come back and update this in probably a month or so, an update video, or as soon as I start to see some seeds germinate. Now, one of the issues I may have is getting it watered, because this is so far at the tip top of my property. I'm gonna have an issue coming out here and watering it. So, but I'm gonna try to keep it watered in. And it says when it gets light brown, that's when you're supposed to come back and wet it down again. But guys, this is the easiest way that I know to reseed bare patches or bad spots in your lawn. Like I said, it's pretty much a no-brainer, man. This is not hard at all. You know, just watering in. Like I said, yeah, sod is okay, but you can't take sod and cut all that out. That's not easy. This product is called Easy Seed, not work the hell out yourself to put some sod in. And generally, sod is kind of actually hard to find. Some of these stores down here, I haven't been seeing sod like I used to in the past. Like they would have a pallet of sod out there. And the issue with that is you don't know if those people are watering it, keeping it good, if that's just a bad pallet that they were able to get for the cheap and stuck out there. So yeah, guys, give this a try. Like I said, I'll come back in a month. Make sure you subscribe so you can get the update. And we'll see how this Easy Seed go. Pro tip, when you're buying it, I said this in the previous video, make sure you look at the test date on your bottle. This was tested January 2018, and it needs to be sold by 10/31/18. All right. In Florida, you need to sell it before 8/31, and they got other dates for other states. If your state down there, that's why I'm holding so you can look at it. But yeah, guys, that's it. The directions are pretty much simple. Nothing to it. Like I said, guys, subscribe. You'll get the update in about a month. As soon as I start seeing it germinate, I'll go ahead and update this thing for you guys. All right. So guys, just remember, you are tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.